This video shows how to create a JDistil project using the JDistil Eclipse plugin. For detailed information on the JDistil framework and other supporting demos, please refer to the JDistil.com website. This video is the first in a series of 3 videos supporting the JDistil Eclipse plugin. So we've got Eclipse open. We'll start. We've got Eclipse open. We've created a workspace demo, which isn't necessary, but we want to keep it separate from our other projects. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in, just like we would create any normal dynamic web project within Eclipse. We're going to give it a name. It's demo. And then you can set these other attributes and properties however you see fit. We're taking the defaults here. The key to enable the JDistil configuration is to go in the project facets and choose the JDistil project configuration. Okay. And then next we'll go through. These are all standard wizard pages associated with the Eclipse dynamic web project. So only when we get to the last page, this is specific to the JDistil project, and we need to enter a base package name. So in this case, and actually, let's go. And we will finish that. So what gets created is basically a dynamic web project, but what's been included in addition to that are the JDistil project resources. So in this case, we'll see that we have some configuration classes. Well, one, we've created a configuration package based on that base package name, and we have these JDistil resources here that represent or used to support the project configuration. And then we have an empty package here where we will, as we generate application fragments, the fragment specific configuration will be added to this package. So 2 packages, some classes that will also populate as fragments are created, and then obviously we have our core properties file. We have SQL, in this case framework specific SQL, the core SQL, and then our modules, the codes module, code lookup module, our security module, and then all the app prefix SQL files are specific to the fragments and fragment relationships that we create as we build our application. So obviously these are empty, but they'll be populated as fragments are created, and you'll see that in the other demos supporting the Eclipse plugin. And here we have our libraries. So we have our core library. We have the library supporting the codes module. Oops, sorry. We go these 2, and then we have our security libraries as well. If we look at the web configuration, we'll see that we're specifying the core controller, so the servlet controller associated with the core framework. And we're specifying a welcome page, which is the home JSP. We've generated the header JSP, the home JSP. Header is just our menuing system, and then we have some core CSS and some minor JavaScript, small JavaScript file as well. And then here we have the UIs for the codes module and the UI for the security module. So, and then some images. So all this gets, so basically, again, just to recap, we've created a dynamic web project using the Eclipse wizard. We've chosen the JDistil project configuration so that the JDistil resources are included. And we also now have access within this project to the application fragment and fragment relationship. So these will be used to create application fragments and relationships representing our application. So the other videos to follow will cover creating the application fragments and relationships, and then the last video will be the deployment of the application. And again, we're starting, and what we're building here is the JDistil demo application. There's another video on the demos page that gives an overview of the entire demo application. So this covers project creation. For additional information on the JDistil framework, and other supporting videos, please refer to the JDistil.com website.